Hey guys, I just got this Topwit electric tea kettle. So let's see what is inside and how easy it works. It should be unique with the steaming extraction of the tea, and it should be really cool. First, I'll put some water up to the minimum. Tea, put over here. Set on after. All right, let's check it out. And here's how it works. So basically the water is boiled, the steam going inside the tube inside and drip in the tea, and the tea getting steamed, and then it starts to drip in the water while it's boiling. So you're getting really good extraction of your tea, all the flavors. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.